Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. It is a hot day today. We picked up a lot of really cool things at Harbor Freight the other day, and I want to give some of that stuff to you. And I'm going to show you at the end of this video, so be sure to watch to the end of the video, and I'm going to show you a little more about that. In case you don't remember, I went to Harbor Freight the other day, and I picked up about $20 worth of really inexpensive, really cool stuff. If you don't remember that, I'll leave a link to that video in the notes so you can go check that out. But one of the things I got was this Speed Square. I mean, hey, $1.99, it's hard to beat. But I want to make sure that this thing is actually doing what it's supposed to do for me, which almost all the time is to show me 90-degree and 45-degree angles. If it's doing that, I'm happy. Right now, I just want to check the accuracy of this $1.99 Speed Square. Let's see if it was worth it. All right, $1.99 Speed Square, or technically a rafter square, but $1.99 Speed Square, that's hard to beat. And like I said in my other video, I've got a lot of these around the shop, so it's not like I was in desperate need of it, but they're like pens and pencils. They get missing every once in a while, and I have no idea where they go. My main concern about this is to make sure it is exactly 90 degrees here and 45 degrees there. Now, the best way I know of to do that is to use my digital angle finder. So let's turn this guy on. There we go. It is set at 0 right now. Let's open her up and let's check this angle here. Ooh. All right. Oh, look at that. 90 degrees on the nose, Jack. Wow, that's surprising. All right. I'm happy with that. Let's check this guy over here. All right. Look at that. 45 degrees on the nose. Wow. Whoa. Look at that. Hey, Harbor Freight, jump back, Jack. All right, and like I said, there are a lot of things this Speed Square can do. I'm definitely not going to get into that today, but again, as I said, my main concern was to make sure that the angles were accurate on it, and they are. They are dead on accurate. Awesome. And just so you'll know, this is an aluminum Speed Square. I will say some of the casting marks, like right there, are still evident, and they're a little rough on the finger. And I know I'm being picky, but you know, hey, it's a $1.99 tool, so I'm not expecting it to be perfect. I will say one thing that I just don't like about it. I pivot this a lot here on my finger when I'm using it. So I do that a lot. It is pretty rough on the inside, especially right here. But for me doing this, it can be a little rough on the finger. So, and right here, there's a casting mark right here on the edge. Let me see, can you see that right there? That is a nick right there to catch on my finger, maybe my shirt or something like that. And it's just gonna be a hassle. So I'm gonna have to grind that off. Overall, I mean, I wouldn't give it a 10 out of 10, but I would give it a strong 8.5, 9. Yeah, it's good. It's good. I like it, and it was definitely worth the $1.99. So good job, Harbor Freight. Thanks a lot for making a great tool inexpensively, just like you always do. And that's why Harbor Freight is one of our favorite places, if not our favorite place, to buy tools and equipment. And again, Harbor Freight does not sponsor or endorse us or send us tools to test or anything like that. We just do it because we like them. As I said, we did a $20 to spend at Harbor Freight video, and we posted it on our channel, so if you haven't seen that yet, you definitely want to check that out. I'm going to leave a link for it in the notes so you'll be able to easily find it. All right, this was a quick one, but it's a really simple tool. I hope that was helpful for you, and I hope you get something out of it. I would encourage you, if you need a speed square, if you want some extra speed squares around the shop, or maybe one to have in the truck or something like that, this is a great way to do it. Go down to Harbor Freight, pick you up a few of them. If you're an Inside Track Club member, right now they're $1.99. That's a heck of a deal. But even if you're not, and even if they don't have them on sale like that, they're still only like $2.99, so they're still pretty cheap. That was a surprise. Harbor Freight, big, big, big thumbs up. I can't believe that. I was expecting it to be off just a little bit. So for this guy, for $1.99 to be dead on accurate, my faith is restored in some of these really cheap products. Before I go, I do want to remind you, we want to send you something for free. So we picked up these sanding discs the other day at Harbor Freight. These are 5-inch hook and loop discs, some 150 and some 220. We're going to send these out to one lucky person, and to enter, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. Again, thanks a lot for being here. We hope you enjoyed that. I hope you got something out of it. Hey, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, please. Leave us some comments, and if you like this, then subscribe to our channel. We're doing stuff like this all the time. We would love to have you here on a regular basis. Thank you so much again for being here. Take care. Have a great day. See you next time.